Formed in 2016, Crash Rhetoric is a local band originally from Mount Pleasant. The band consists of 3 members, Jacob on drums, Hitch temporarily on bass, and Kyle its lead vocals and lead guitar.
Emo punk band, if you will. We formed in 2016. I met a couple guys at Central. We met through the radio station program there.
I met Jake and Kyle through playing shows with another band that I'm in called Rounding Third. And when I first met them, they had... All right.
He's in the shop too.
Awesome. He's doing work. I met Jake and Kyle through playing shows with a band that I'm in still called Rounding Third. So Jake and Kyle kind of asked me after their original bass player graduated from Central, moved back to New York. They asked me if I could fill in for them. So right now I'm kind of like interim playing with them, but I've been doing it for a little while now. So I've started kind of getting a little bit of creativeness going with them, trying to at least.
We came up with the name Crash Rhetoric. It's actually from a Wonder Years song called Cul-de-sac. Jeremy, our original bassist, and I came up with it pretty much right away, just jamming around between that and Shy of Surprise, and I think we picked the right one.
Short-term goal for us as a band, I would really like to try and tour a little bit, even if it's just a couple like 3-day spurts here and there, like weekend gigs, like hit Chicago, go maybe Ohio, like Cleveland or something like that, and then back up through Detroit. Like, that'd be fun.
Ultimately, I would love to, like Jake said, go out and play shows, like do tours and stuff like that, and end up maybe getting signed and getting onto bigger tours and playing bigger venues, stuff like that. And for me, like at the end of the day, I know I can't play shows my whole life, so at some point I would also like to maybe get into doing like live sessions, something like that, where you get a band in a room and just basically see what they can do and put it out for other people to see.
I'd say we're pretty close. Like on stage, we really have like a musical connection where we could pretty much do anything and we all understand what was going on and keep going. Off stage, we're all really close. We come to each other with issues we're having. And, I don't know. We're just really good friends, basically brothers, honestly. End goal for the band. Hopefully make it a career, but I don't know, I'll just go wherever the music takes me.